Are you ready to revolutionize your daily routine with a touch of freshness? Meet the Mijia Portable Juicer Cup 2, Xiaomi's latest innovation that brings convenience, power, and style into one compact package. This isn't just a juicer, it's your new best friend for quick, healthy living on the go. The Mijia Portable Juicer Cup 2 is designed with your busy lifestyle in mind. Imagine this: you've just finished a morning workout, and you need a quick, refreshing boost. With its powerful 19,500 RPM DC motor, this juicer effortlessly blends your favorite fruits in just 40 seconds, delivering a delicious, nutrient-packed drink in no time. Whether you're at home, in the office, or on a road trip, this juicer is your perfect companion. Powered by a 45-watt pressurized lithium battery, the Mijia Portable Juicer Cup 2 ensures consistent performance with minimal waste, less than 10% residue left behind. Plus, its 1300 mAh battery means you can enjoy up to 12 cups of fresh juice on a single charge. And when it's time to recharge, the Type-C port makes it a breeze, whether you're using a power bank, car charger, or your laptop. Designed for portability, the Mijia Portable Juicer Cup 2 is perfect for those who are always on the move. Its 300 milliliters capacity is ideal for single servings, and the wireless design means no more searching for power outlets. Plus, cleaning is a breeze. Just double-click the power button, and the juicer's auto-clean function takes care of the rest. But it's not just about convenience. Xiaomi has packed this juicer with safety features to give you peace of mind. From the Hall sensor safety induction and temperature control protection for the battery, to the 360-degree leak-proof sealing ring, every detail is designed with your safety in mind. Crafted from food-grade materials, the Mijia Portable Juicer Cup 2 ensures that your health is never compromised. The silicone cup sleeve provides a comfortable, anti-slip grip, while the waterproof charging port adds an extra layer of durability. Whether you're at the gym, camping, or simply enjoying a picnic, this juicer is built to withstand the rigors of your active lifestyle. So why wait? Elevate your daily routine with the Mijia Portable Juicer Cup 2. Priced at just 99 yuan, this compact powerhouse is a game-changer for anyone who values convenience, health, and style. Head over to JD.com and secure yours now. Your taste buds will thank you.